What's up, guys? And welcome one more time here to BitBrothers Crypto, a place where you learn and discover new opportunities every single day. I am Casquinha Crypto. Or, if you guys, I think I forgot to tell Papa this. I changed my Casquinha Crypto because Casquinha Crypto is very difficult for people to pronounce. So, I am a very clever and smart person, as you may know, obviously, because I am here in crypto. I chose the letter B. I know that there is the plan B, there is the B beach coins, but I thought on the be smart, be patient, be successful, be crypto. So now, guys, you can also find me as Crypto B. Oh, so yes. So if you go to my Twitter, you will see there Crypto B. So welcome to the show. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I am Crypto B. Boom, boom, boom. And today we have a very nice show to you. The title here of the show, let me open here the other computer. I change. It's crypto. It's on fire. Crypto is on fire. And I'll tell you why crypto is on fire right now. Because we are on the bear market. On the bear markets, normally people think, oh my God, I'm going to lose all my money. People leave the markets. I mean, as you can see, we have 2 people watching our show today now at the moment. We don't have many people following us or subscribing to the channel. A lot of people lose faith, money, get out of crypto. And that's what the majority of the people are mistaken. And the people who leaves because the people who believes in crypto, the people who believes that the blockchain technology, the people who believes that crypto will be the financial system for the years to come, now they believe crypto is on fire. The reason why is because now is the time. Brasileiro vendo a Grécia. Hi, I am here and we are here too. Welcome, brother. So we are in one of the best times of our lives in order to create great wealth. And this is crazy to understand if you actually understand this. So if you are watching this video after, or if you are here watching now live, you are on that mindset that we are of crypto's on fire now. Because when you look yesterday on my TikTok, oh Papa, you're froze there for some reason. On my TikTok, I put 3 coins for keep your eyes on it for gaming coins, and I said there. Vulcan. Well, let me check if the name of it.
Vulcan Forge.
Vulcan Forge. Okay, Vulcan Forge. Let me put it here. Vulcan Forge. Polygon. Let me open for you guys here, just so you guys can see. There we go. I'm going to open for you guys here to have a look. I'm going to take the sound out so you guys don't get... Let's put it back. Look. What's game token? What's game token? Let's think. Polygon, Gala coins, and Vulcan short. Vulcan, what's the name?
Vulcan Forge.
Vulcan Forge, exactly. Those 3 coins, guys. Keep your eyes on it. Keep your eyes on it, because on the next bull run, you will like. Maybe, potentially, these are very, 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 very good coins, gaming coins, for you to keep your eyes open. So, keep following us on the social media, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, because we bring a lot of other stuff. Guys, we are 100% committed to crypto. So follow us for those. And that's some of the reasons why crypto is on fire. So one more thing, PayPal. PayPal now have added to list of crypto heavy hitters on the Trust Network. PayPal has stepped up and regulatory compliance by joining Trust to streamline and reporting requirements relating to digital assets travel rules. Crypto-friendly digital payment giants. So as you can see, all the big payment giants, Revolut, PayPal, all of them, they are bringing cryptocurrency in. PayPal has been added to the travel rules universal solution technology Trust Network, join a host of big names in crypto that have moved to complying with digital assets travel rules. Guys, do you really believe that companies like Facebook, PayPal, and other companies that are already accepting crypto, they are shooting on the dark? No way. They know what they're doing. They know where they're putting their money. And the most amazing thing now is that you are early to this game. And when we say early, we are talking about maybe Ethereum become $400, $500. This is how early you are. Do you understand? So that's the mindset, the frame of the state of mind that you should be thinking of. Crypto is on fire right now. Ethereum community is split over solution for transaction censorship, social slash, and even a user activity soft fork have been suggested as possible response to the threat of transaction censorship on the Ethereum. The Ethereum community has been divided over how to best respond to the threat of protocol levels transaction censorship in the wake of the United States government sanction on the Tornado Cash linked address. Over the last week, Ethereum community members have proposed social sharing or even a user activity soft fork as possible response to transaction level censorship on the Ethereum, with some calling it a trap that will do more harm than good, and others stating that it's necessary to provide credible neutrality and censorship resistance properties on the Ethereum. This is very important because one thing that we have the rights is our how do you call it? Not to leak our data or to keep ourselves private.
Privacy.
Right? Privacy. What happened to Tornado Cash now, and even one of the developers being arrested in the Netherlands, is something that goes completely against our freedom of movement, freedom of speech, freedom of expression. So that's basically what they're saying here. So although crypto is growing, and in fact, the more crypto grows, the more institution will try to regulate and see what's the best thing for the governments to do in order for them to keep control out of it. So it's good for us to keep and to know, to be aware of the things that are surrounding the universe of crypto where you are, and you want to invest your money. And it's good to be aware of all of those subjects that is happening within the crypto space, all the narrative that's happening now. So if you understand the narrative, you know that some tokens, some protocols, some projects are on fire, like we just said on the thumbnail. Crypto's on fire. So it all depends, it goes down to all depends in how, in which direction and angle do you see your entering points in the crypto space, the way you're going to invest, protocols that you're going to invest, and stuff like that. All right, guys, so welcome to the show. Remember, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and now you are with my brother, Papa Levas.
Hey everybody, Papa BitBrother here. Nice one. So guys, it's very interesting what those coins Casca mentioned. We haven't mentioned, I said this yesterday in my live, that we haven't mentioned many coins now because the time is very volatile. But I'm going to talk to you guys about, again, the narratives. That's what we need to look for to invest now, right? If you want to, of course, because again, it's very dangerous, very risky at the moment. Everything have to be, very, very carefully thought before you do anything. But the narrative of gaming, it's very, very strong. So I'm going to show you now, not now, after we see the market, isn't it? Let's quickly see how is the market today, Casca. So see how is Bitcoin and everything doing. So guys, we're still above $1 trillion, which is very, very good in the market cap. 1,024,000,000,000, a little bit bigger than yesterday. Yesterday was a bit, I think was just 12 billions, 1,012,000,000,000. So Bitcoin at 21,396. Ethereum holding just above $1,600. You can see the stable coins are growing and growing. Guys, look at this. We have $67 billion invested in Tether, and then we have 52 in USDT. Guys, if you take, let's take the dominance here, right? So we have $200 billion invested in Ethereum. But if we take just the stable coins, 67 plus 52, that's 120 plus 140 of Binance BUSD. Let's see what else we have here. 140, $150 billion. Okay, guys, is the third biggest probably holdings of the market. It's in stable coins, guys. The third, if you take all the stable coins together, of course, but it's the third position we have. It's in stable coins. What does that mean? That most of the people who has this money here are waiting for a better entry point. So remember, we keep saying to you guys, follow the smart money. And you can really clearly see here that these people are probably the smart money. Because why would you invest in something that there is no interest rate? There's no gains, really. The only gain you're having at this moment is that they are connected to the dollar. And of course, we know that the dollar is very, very strong. So that's the only gains they have. Of course, it's also very clever because they're probably expecting a better entry point in the market. And also they are in the strongest coin in the world, really, which is dollar, right? You could see that the euro fell to $1 the other day. I'm not sure how much is a dollar now compared to the euro. But let's just check. Guys, but this never happened. This never has happened. €1, what? Like $1. €1 is $1. Look at this. Okay, so you can see how strong the euro is, guys. The dollar, sorry, how strong the dollar is. So that means that we need to keep an eye on it, that we're probably gonna have a better entry. What I'm doing, and I keep saying to Casca now, I'm trying to get advantage of the Ethereum merge, because I believe we're gonna have the buy the rumor, sell the news event. And when is the sell the news? When you start to get closer to the merge, lots of people gonna FOMO in, because they're gonna think it's gonna explode, because more news coming up about Ethereum. As we get closer to the merge, we're gonna have more news coming up, and people who are not into the market, they always FOMO in. So be careful with not being one of those. If you are willing to buy right now to get this pump. Of course, do your own research, but I would say buy right now and wait for the pump. It's expected before the merge to go to about $3,000. Okay, DCA. What my plan is? I'm DCAing in already, and I will be DCAing out once it's above $2,000 pre-merge. Okay, because I believe, according to many people here, Crypto Rovers 1, look what he said. I think Ethereum dropped so hard on the merge day. The whole anticipation is getting not bought up on the spot market, but on the futures market. Be warned. Okay. So guys, basically, no one is buying now. They're buying on the futures market because a lot of people believe in that's gonna drop. Okay, so be warned. Like, it's not from me, it's from Crypto Rover on his Twitter. So what he says about Bitcoin: double bottom incoming. If you can check the previous double bottom, what happened? Boom. Okay, so we're not sure that they're saying like double bottom here. He made a question mark because he not, basically he's not sure. But if this confirms, we expect to start a pump. I truly believe this is not gonna happen because, again, I definitely believe we're gonna have a bigger dip before the pump comes, which is gonna be a safe and healthy thing for the market, guys, as there's so much leverage still going on in the market. Okay, so but let's take the advantage, guys. The Ethereum merge is the predicted date is 15th of September. So we have 2.5 weeks to get the advantage of this pump. Okay, but then be aware, if you're not sure what's happening, have some cash aside, because we're probably gonna have a nice dip where we can DCA in. Okay, so what's the next narrative, guys? Cove.duck says GameFi is set to become the next hot space in crypto. CMC released a GameFi report containing the state of the industry, top tokens, games, and chains to watch. I've read it also that you don't have to read this to understand everything about the next hot space in crypto. Look at this, guys. In this thread, we are diving into current state of GameFi, top takeaways from this year, what the VCs are doing, venture capitals, guys. These are people with money, upcoming game and tokens to watch, thoughts and comments along. Let's dive in. Crypto versus games synergy. Crypto, NFTs, and games have a natural synergy. Trading and selling in games items as NFTs, ownership of virtual assets, new ways of funding. So basically, like I said, guys, I bring you content. We bring you content for you to go and have a look and study. But I wanted to find here where the coins that he believes is gonna actually top chains by transaction and average users is Wax, 81%, and Hive Blocks. Okay, guys, Wax, it's a NFT platform as well, and you can check it out, the tokens, the Wax token. Okay, if you haven't heard of it. Mainstream hype and sustainability. Axe Infinity and Stepping become household names. Guys, remember, I'm telling you the names here, but you have to come and study. Look at this: Splinterlands, Alien Worlds, Uplands, Sunflower Farmers. So remember, guys, the Alien Worlds, there is a coin of the Alien World game itself. Okay, I think most of these games here, there's coins of it. Okay. Crypto games people enjoy, like I said, Alien Worlds here and Splinterlands are dominating even after price drop. They are both averaging around 200k active users even in this market. Clearly people enjoy playing them. Hyped games come and go, but so far they haven't stuck around. There's no go to change for GameFi. Let's see if there's more. So basically, you can see, guys, stepping is everywhere. Devils are going multi-chain. DeFi Kingdom stepping expanded to 2 chains each in March to get more users and disperse risk. But it hasn't been smooth sailing. There's been some tokenomics trouble. Multi-chain. So that's why I say you guys have to. So I spoke to you guys about GameFi before. DeFi Kingdom, sorry. And I spoke to you about DeFi Kingdoms. I mean DeFi Kingdoms as well. But again, of course, with this bear market, everything went really, really low. So you have to be careful. But I still believe in the game platform, as you can see here. VCs in game. Let's see the VCs. 2002 has been the year of GameFi fundraising. Metaverse and game fundraising saw a huge increase from 874 million in 2021 to 2.4 billion. Metaverse and game projects get more than tooling, trading, and lending projects. So guys, these are the metaverse game. So marketplace. No, they didn't put which ones are. They've been sitting on billions investing in the next generation of Web3. So guys, like I said, it's so much. There's so much. There's talking about Illuvian, Fantom, the Fantom. Collaboration between proven traditional blockchain studios backed by huge resource, and it's all here. Okay, like I said, if I'm gonna go through all of it, it's gonna take a long time. And like we always say, I want to help you guys to find better things to where to look at and how to invest in crypto. Okay, nice one. This is it for me today. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here.
Remember, crypto's on fire. And we'll see you guys next live or in another video.